Imagine walking into a small village workshop and finding a homemade helicopter parked inside, not in a movie, not in a big aerospace company, but in rural India. This is the unbelievable story of Mustaqim Ali, a village mechanic who dared to build his own helicopter using local vehicle parts. While most people only dream about flying machines, Mustaqim decided to build one himself. Inside his modest workshop, surrounded by tools, metal scraps, engines, and spare parts, he spent years experimenting with a machine many people thought was impossible. And the most shocking part? He did not use expensive aerospace equipment. He built the helicopter using parts from tractors, scooters, and auto rickshaws. Piece by piece, blade by blade, the machine slowly started taking shape. People from nearby villages began visiting just to see it. Word spread quickly. How can a village mechanic build a helicopter? Some laughed, some were curious, but many were simply amazed.
मैं लगातार सब्जी बेचने का काम करता रहा हूँ अब तक, और सब्जी बेचते बेचते ही मेरे ये विचार आया। तो मैंने ये प्रयास किया, और 14 महीने के प्रयास के बाद मैं ये हेलीकॉप्टर आप लोगों को दिखाने में सफल हुआ।
Standing in front of his homemade aircraft, Mustaqim looked less like a village mechanic and more like an engineer chasing an impossible dream. Eventually, preparations were made for a public test. Crowds gathered, excitement grew. Everyone wanted to witness the moment this homemade helicopter would rise into the sky. But before the flight could properly happen, authorities reportedly stopped the test because official aviation permissions were missing. And honestly, that moment made the story even bigger. Because suddenly the whole country was talking about one question. How did someone from a small village even manage to build this? What makes Mustaqim's story powerful is not whether the helicopter fully flew or not. It is the courage to attempt something so massive with limited resources, no giant laboratory, no aerospace degree, no $1 million funding, just determination, curiosity and years of hands-on experimentation.
दूसरे पार्ट्स भी जो इस्तेमाल किए हैं नए कम है, पुराने ज्यादा हैं, और ज्यादातर रटोल के कबाड़ियों से या ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ी तो बाहर से भी मैं लाया हूँ।
In a world where innovation is often linked only with big companies and elite institutions, stories like this remind us that creativity can emerge from anywhere. Sometimes even from a small village workshop where someone looks at scrap vehicle parts and thinks, why not build a helicopter?